guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add an overlay and blend it with your video. So for instance, I want to take this video and I want to add an overlay on top of it. So I'm just going to select my overlay and add it on top of the video like so. I'm also going to adjust the canvas here. To blend it, I'm just going to simply turn on the blend mode here, go to the blend mode and choose either brighten or screen. If it's like a black text over a white background, select the darken one instead. But just play around with these blend modes here. There's a few options that you can choose from. But yeah, that is basically it. It is super simple to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!